But from the association's perspective broadly, what do you make of the program? Something like this finally a part of the Jamaican school system.
Yeah, we support the program. There are concerns that we have with respect to how it is that you're going to expand the program. There are concerns that we have in terms of how do you monitor the students effectively and how do you do the timely interventions during those monitoring processes. We are prepared to sit with the Ministry of Education. As a matter of fact, we have a meeting scheduled sometime this week. Mm-hmm. It's a matter that I intend to raise in terms of what our concerns are and, have that deliberation as to how it is that we can make our contribution to improving the system.
You said you have some concerns in relation to monitoring. I did hear the transport minister, the government indicating putting on CCTV cameras on these buses, having wardens as well, having an online system where parents can actually track and see where their children are on their way home or heading to school.